Hello and welcome to my channel. Myself Sayyam Bardia. I teach you chemistry and biology. In this video, we are going to talk about epithelial cells. So let's start with epithelial cells. So epithelial cells. Epithelial cells are like the epidermis of our body. Epidermis has a main function of protection against foreign substances. Epithelial cells also has a main function of protection against foreign substances. Okay, but these foreign substances are harmful to our body in some or other way. So we need protection. So these epithelial cells. These epithelial cells are present in outer and inner side of our body. Like lining of the organs or the biggest organ of our body, that is skin, is the epithelial cell. Okay, it helps in lining the cavities, various body cavities like thoracic cavity. Okay, so lining the cavities. So this is the main function of epithelial cells. As we had seen today, there are 4 types of epithelial cells. So first type is squamous. Oh, what an ugly name. Squamous epithelium. So this squamous epithelium help are a single cell layer epithelium. So these are like this. There are only one single cell layer like this. It is very thin, so it can be broken. Okay, it is a single layered single celled layer. Okay, there are no spaces between the cells. Okay, no spaces between the cells. They are present as the blood vessel lining or the alveoli lining. Mainly they are present wherever there is a function of absorption. They are also present in the lining of our mouth and esophagus. Okay. Now, when various squamous epitheliums are joined together, that tissue is called as stratified squamous epithelium. Okay, so these stratified squamous various layer and innumerable layers of this stratified squamous. Okay, so multiple squamous epithelium. So our skin is an example of stratified squamous epithelium. Okay, our skin is an example of stratified squamous epithelium. Now, the third type we are going to learn is cuboidal epithelium. So this cuboidal epithelium, as name suggests, cuboid structures. So they are represented by squares. Okay. So these cuboidal epithelium has main function of mechanical support. Okay. These cuboidal epithelium are present as lining of kidney tubules or the salivary gland, etc. Okay. Sometimes this cuboidal epithelium form a depression. Okay. These epithelial cells form a depression and thus called as glandular epithelium. So this empty space is called as a gland. This produces some juices which can be called as hormones or enzymes. Okay, so salivary gland is a glandular epithelium. There are two types of gland which secrete substances outside the body and inside the body. Outside, like the salivary gland, the oil glands, okay, oil sweat glands. Inside, like pancreas, etc. Okay, the fourth type epithelium is columnar epithelium. Okay, name suggests present in form of columns, long columns, elongated cells are present. Okay, this kind of epithelium is mainly found where absorption takes place. Okay, absorption of nutrients or various other substances. Okay, it acts as a barrier for our respiratory tract. Okay, it sometimes this columnar epithelium has some hair-like projections called as cilia, and thus comes the name ciliated columnar epithelium. Okay, they are mainly present in organs like small intestine and the respiratory tract. So let's revise again. There are four types of epithelial tissues, that is squamous, stratified squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. So there is one more type of columnar. It is called as ciliated columnar tissue. So there are hair-like projection called as cilia present on them. Okay. So squamous, single layer; stratified squamous, multiple layer of squamous epithelium; cuboidal epithelium, mechanical support; cuboidal cells; columnar epithelium, elongated cells; absorption, mechanical support, and protection. So four types clear. In the next video we are going to talk about connective tissue, and there are 6 types. So this was today's video. Any doubts, kindly comment, or you can email. I'll send my email address on the description box. I'm going to upload this whole PDF in PDF format, so you can just note down everything. Okay, thank you for watching.